everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful closed shell stitch. This is a very pretty pattern to work. It features these fancy shell stitches that are not too difficult to work. The pattern's the same on both sides, making it great for your reversible projects. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using a little bit of a medium or a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks. I'll also be using a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. And then you can follow along with the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. You'll find that linked directly in the description of this video. Also there in the description, you'll find links to my crochet books that are available on Amazon in paperback and ebook format, as well as some bookstores. This is my intermediate crochet stitches book, so if you enjoy learning crochet stitches, this is the book for you. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by working a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and our foundation chain today is going to be a multiple of 6 stitches plus 1. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 25 stitches. There's 24, which is my multiple of 6, plus 1 for 25. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working 2 double crochet stitches into the 4th chain from your hook. So count in 1, 2, 3, 4. Work 2 double crochets into this 4th chain. Your chain 3 at the start will count as 1 double crochet stitch. You're then going to skip the next 2 stitches and single crochet into the next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and work 4 double crochets into your next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and work 1 double crochet or 1 single crochet, pardon me, into the next stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across, skip the next 2 stitches, work 4 double crochets into your next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet into your next stitch. Repeat this all the way across until you have your 3 stitches remaining, and you're going to finish off by skipping the final 2 stitches and working a single crochet in the final stitch. So skip my final 2 stitches and then single crochet. That will bring you to the end of your row 1. You're then going to chain 3 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to work 2 double crochets into our first stitch. So at the base of your turning chain, work 2 double crochets. You're then going to skip the next 2 stitches and then work a single crochet into the next space. So skip those next 2 double crochets, then into the space which falls between the 2nd and the 3rd double crochet of this set of 4. You're going to work a single crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into your single crochet, work 4 double crochet stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet into the next space. Skip the next 2 stitches, 4 double crochets into your next single crochet stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across. When you come all the way across, you're going to finish off with 1 single crochet. You can either work that into the top of your turning chain 3, or you can simply work into the chain 3 space. You're then going to chain 3 and turn your work. Now for the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat that row 2. Work 2 double crochets into your first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the next space, work 1 single crochet. Skip the next 2 double crochets into your next single crochet, work 4 double crochet stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet into the next space. Repeat this all the way across, finishing off with that single crochet into your chain 3 space, and then chain 3, turn your work, and repeat that row 2 for as long as you would like. And that's all there is to working this closed shell stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, while you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.